Arigilahavila with most people not willing to buy food from outside with corona around. But your carving for some items can't be controlled so long. So I tried to make one item today which you too can make at home and reduce the carving for it. So today's recipe is egg puff. So let's get started. Take a bowl, to that add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 1/3 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix well. To that add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix well. Now add water little by little and make a nice dough. Here you can see our dough. Now to that add medium cubed butter and mix it well to make a fine dough. Here you can see our soft dough, and then cover this with cloth and rest for half an hour. After half an hour, take out the dough from bowl and sprinkle some flour on top of your kitchen counter and place your dough on it, and using rolling pin spread it as much as you can. Now apply butter on one side as shown in video. Now sprinkle some flour on the place where you applied butter. And fold it as shown. Okay, now sprinkle some flour on your baking tray and place the folded sheet and cover it with a wet muslin cloth and refrigerate it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the sheet from the refrigerator and after sprinkling flour on your countertop, keep the sheet on it and using your rolling pin spread it as much as you can. Now again apply some butter on one side. And sprinkle some flour on the place where you applied butter. Now fold it as shown. And now again place this sheet on baking tray. Close with muslin cloth and again refrigerate it for about 15 minutes. Now in the meantime, we can prepare gravy for our puff recipe. Take a pan, to that add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1 cup of onions chopped and fry for 2 minutes. Now add half teaspoon ginger and garlic paste and fry for 1 minute. After 1 minute, now add 3 tablespoons of chopped capsicum and chopped tomato 3 tablespoons. Mix well. And then add half teaspoon red chilli powder, a very little turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder and half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well and fry for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add half a cup of water and cook until the gravy absorbs the water. Once the gravy has absorbed the water, switch off the flame. Okay, now after 15 minutes, again take the sheet from the refrigerator and repeat the process. Now we will prepare our eggs for our puff recipe. Take boiled eggs and make each egg into two halves and sprinkle some red chili powder and salt. That's all, your eggs are ready. Now after 15 minutes, take the sheet from refrigerator. Here we are done. Now cut the sheet into two halves. Here you can see the layers. Okay, now I am using one half. Sprinkle some flour on that. And spread as shown, but not too thin or too thick. Now cut the sheet into 4 parts. Place the 4 parts in a baking tray and then keep 1 tablespoon of gravy in each part as shown. And then keep egg on top of that. And fold it as shown. And bake this in oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's all. Your favorite egg puff recipe is ready to serve. Enjoy with your family and friends. Hope you all like this egg puff recipe. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Havilahelshakitchen. Bye bye.